Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? And Happy New Year! Please excuse the state that I am in right now. I'm currently sick, stressed, and saucy. Today's video is really exciting. Not in the way that it's anything actually new. I don't think I've ever been that channel that's like, oh, this is new, so let me review this before anyone else. I am going to unbox the... So I finally have sways. I have been wanting sways for, like, ever since Queens came out, before Splash Beauty, and y'all know I love Splash Beauty. Imagine how much I love sways. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. Obviously, I found this girly over at Winners Home Sense here in Canada for $39.99. I realize you can't see that, but I swear to God, this sticker says $29.99. And here in Canada, this girl, the price average is around $39, so $10 off, not that bad. And obviously I was so stoked. I also bought her in the middle of a mental breakdown, so I'm really excited to open this one up. So, like, let's get right into this, I guess. Here it is. The L.O.L O.M.G Queens box. In case you don't know what L.O.L O.M.G Queens is, it is a spin-off of the original L.O.L O.M.G brand. This time we are getting characters in absolutely extravagant outfits. This is what all of the new L.O.L O.M.G L.O.L surprise boxes look like. Pretty amazing. The LOL surprise aspect is kind of gone now, unfortunately, in terms of like the actual doll, which should have never been a surprise in my opinion. I want to see what my doll looks like. Obviously, we have a little window kind of cut out in the side here. Here we have sways. Doesn't she look gorge? Here we have a ginormous artwork of her smack dab in the middle. Amazing. On the top here it says LOL Surprise OMG Queen, so that is the logo. And here it says 20 surprises and unboxed fashions, play, and style, which I don't know if I believe they're actual surprises. I haven't seen an entire video on sways in particular, just because I knew I was gonna get her. On the side here we have Sways' little sister, and then on the other side here we have her little name tag that says Sways on a gold bar. It looks like it's a letter, actually, now that I'm looking at it. There's like filigree around it. It's very beautiful. On the back, here we have another portrait of Sways. And then it says, Queens embrace who they are and strut fierce style and celebrate differences, which is amazing. I love, despite like how fierce they all are, they still have a really wholesome message, so I really appreciate that. And it says that in every other language. At the bottom, it says collect them all if you're a billionaire. 20 surprises, and we have the 3 other characters in this lineup. Miss Divine, Runway Diva, and Prism. I feel like if I were to get another one... Okay, honestly, I really like Prism. I really like Miss Divine, but Runway Diva's kind of growing on me too. Honestly, Queens was a really strong line. Queens is a really strong line, and honestly, like, everything about the dolls was amazing. And there was honestly no critiques with Splash Beauty, and like for me personally. So I'm really excited to see what the original L.O.L O.M.G Queens has to offer. Alrighty, so that is pretty much the box. I am going to go ahead, open her up, and we're going to take a closer look at everything she comes with. Okay. So I just got the first layer off. I totally forgot that the point of these L.O.L O.M.G dolls is the actual unboxing experience. And just removing the first layer, look at how amazing this is. So you have everything kind of displayed around her. She has a little frame coming up on the side. Behind her you can see that there's a little bit of a background. I love the little designs on the floor there. And you can see Sways in her little undergarment situation. So good. She looks so good. What? I'm so excited to get right into this. But you can see literally pretty much everything she comes with. We have all of the bags like displayed really nicely. You know what? If you wanted to keep an L.O.L O.M.G in box, this is gorgeous. Okay, so first things first, we have the little LOL OMG poster that all of them usually come with. This time it's Sways herself. On the back it says, "Queens straighten each other's crown and support their BFFs." And then you could see, I think, is it Sways? Yeah. And you could see Sways' throne there. I love how they all have like their own little throne. Like, I think that's so cool. Next thing that's in the box is Sways' little invitation. I think it's a party invitation. At the front it's pink, and then on the back it's green and says, "Let's party." Then at the front, we have a little seal there with gold accents, and it's pink. And then if we open it, we have the same exact portrait of Sways. I think we've seen it 4 times at this point. And it says, "Shuffle, spin, dance, and clap. The beat is my guide. I'm queen of the sound." So I guess all of the queens have their own specialty, and Sways' is music. Love that. Next thing we've got is this little package that says stiletto heels size 6.5. And then and I love how they're doing this instead of the like plastic shoe boxes. I mean, those were pretty iconic in themselves, but this is better for the environment, easier to like get rid of, you know, less clutter for us. But we still have the same elements. We have a picture of the shoe, the size, and on the barcode it says "Sway da beat." Love that. They always do that. They always do that. They always have the little barcode. And then we're gonna open it up, and we have Sways' amazing stiletto boots. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so these are what the boots look like. So they have a little gold in the front there. We have black straps. It says O.M.G. on the sides of the boot with little squiggles too. That is so cute. Next we have this bag. It is pink and it has little green accents all over it. We have a little green crown on there. And then on the back it has the LOL Surprise Queens logo. Let's open it up. Oh, okay. So here we have her accessories. So first thing we got are her sunglasses. So they're pretty much all black with gold on the sides and the frame as well. Here we have her stacked little bracelets. So we have a pink one, a gold one, and a big chunky yellow one too. And we have this gorgeous neck piece. So you can see that it is gold and it has a little coral pink in the middle there. Fits with the whole theme. I love that. Next bag we have is this green one with a scroll that has the logo. And if we open this one up, okay, so here is her little fanny pack. So this is a reused mold, though it is gorgeous. It has a gold chain going around it and a little snap on the back as well. And we have a little black purse situation here as well. It doesn't open, unfortunately. You can also remove it from the belt if that's what you want. That's just like a really cute like accessory. Alright, so that is pretty much all of the little baggies that come with the set. So now I'm going to take her out along with everything else, and we're going to take a closer look at that. So I pretty much just got all of the extra cardboard out of the box, and I just wanted to give y'all a little closer look. Isn't this gorgeous? Like, you can literally keep this and use it for display. So it is Sways' throne. It's all monochromatic, but then it has this like colorful frame that matches her. Oh my gosh, and it's all like themed for her too. Like, oh, this is amazing. LOL OMG has been outdoing themselves every time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just got Sways out of the box. We're going to talk about the usual things that they come with. So here we have the usual LOL OMG brush. This time it's in a coral pink, as it would match with all of her accessories. Then her stand is going to be black with little gold glitter all over it. We have 2 different hip supports. So we have a smaller one and a larger one. I think they are not named. Because usually they would have like a little label. Not usually. Which stand had a label recently? We can put that together, and depending on how thickly dressed your doll is, you have enough space. Last bag that we do have, I didn't count it as a bag because I don't think it's like a actual surprise bag, but this is her little dress. What's it called? Clothing bag, dress bag. Looking at the actual bag itself, you can see that it is primarily black and gray, and you can see all of the little musical wrapper type of visuals here. Some things are colored in coral pink, green, and yellow. And then if we open it up, we have a little slit back here. Yes! So here is her black coat. This is oh, that is so soft. Inside is not lined, unfortunately, and we do have one thread kind of sticking out here, but obviously it is a completely black coat. You can't really tell. And this is the body form that it comes with. Looking at Swayze herself, is she not gorgeous? Go, let's get right into it. First of all, her hair. So we have 3 different knots atop her head. We have one coral pink, one yellow, one green. It's a theme. It is wrapped in like this gold rope situation. Obviously her entire hair is in micro braids. It's beautiful and thickly rooted. This is gorgeous. Like I can't see scalp. I can't see scalp. Up upon her crown here, we do have a little gold hoop kind of swinging down onto her forehead. Here is her beautiful face. We have dark brown eyebrows, and we have a couple of little coral pink diamonds atop her eyebrow. Her eyes are a deep brown as well, and we have yellow and coral pink for makeup, and she has a glossy green lip too. And then on the sides of her face as well, we have some yellow diamonds. For her jewelry, she has these earrings. They're giant hoops that come out from a stem here, and it seems to have all of these little graphics around it too. So here is her like shirt dress situation. I don't know what to call it. It says OMG in big white letters, and then we have more stripes of the yellow, coral pink, green. It seems to be like one of those like basketball jersey inspired clothes. We have white stripes on her black short sleeves. Here are her, her manicure is different. Okay. So for her manicure, you can see that we have one green one and one pink one. And what's even more amazing is if you remove this top piece here, we do have an entire, what seems like an entire second, oh my god. O.M.G. Look at this. This is all underneath that shirt. So much detail. LOL OMG is undefeated. So on the top here, we do have a gold chain as straps for her little bustier top here. And also a chain going from the straps around her neck to look like a gold chain. One side is black. One is black with what looks like coral pink, like graphics on it as well, and then there's a gold faux zipper in the middle with the little zipper pull. Here are her shorts. So one side is a black pleather as well with the gold zipper. On the other side, it has matching graphics, except this time it's in green. And then here are her socks. So they are fully black with her theme colors on the top of the sock as well, like a trim. You know what I mean? Okay, so that is her. That is the actual doll. I'm going to put everything together and we're going to take a closer look at that. I have no words. Like, obviously I have seen what she looks like put together. I have seen what she looks like in the show, the music video, obviously. But I don't know, just having her in person, just like, come on now. Come on now. You guys know I love my LOL OMGs, and honestly I think she is definitely gonna be one of my favorites for sure. Just the amount of detail, they were so delicate with each and every single detail. Everything about her is amazing and gorgeous, so well thought out. I'm just so happy with her, especially that price point. I just think everything is so cohesive and it all fits together so perfectly. She's fierce and yet still so like cute, you know what I mean? Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much that's pretty much this episode of Atlantix. So yeah, obviously I am super happy about her. I found her for $29.99. You know what? Even if I paid $39 for her, I would be as excited as I am now. I just think that any LOL OMG is worth the money. They like MJ really puts the budget on those girlies. They are the ones that brought back dolls to the doll market. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Let me know what you think about the queens and tell me who your favorite queen is. My favorite is Elizabeth II. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.